welcome to Cooking with Kat, episode 2. This one is also for you, Cassie. Okay, today we are gonna make lasagna. What is you doing, my boy? What you will need for lasagna: box of lasagna nudes. For the sauce, maybe some red sauce. Your brand of choice. Italian sausage. I like it mild, but
present your Italian sausage.
Italian sausage. For the cheese mixture, you're gonna need ricotta cheese and un huevo. I regret that. Mozzarella cheese, low moisture. Ideally, shredded yourself. Parmesan cheese as well. For spices, we're just gonna play it by ear. That's it. 2, 3, 4. We're gonna fill up a pot with water for the nudes. Fill it up full. Make it salty like the sea. Okay. Oh, that's enough water. And we let her boil. Hello. In the meat, we're gonna cook our meat. Put a pan over medium heat with a little bit of olive oil. Oh, I didn't add that into. You'll need olive oil. Okay. And welcome our guest.
Hello.
Christopher Sigler. Whoa! Oh, the crowd goes wild. Anyway.
So what are you doing?
I'm gonna put the meat in the pan and cook it. Make sure your meat is bald. Don't let it keep its toupee. Like spread it apart, mash it up, cook it up so that it's good to go.
What can I do for you?
You've got meat, so you know how to.
I've got meat. You're so strong.
Thank you. It helps that I banged it with the pan earlier. I think, well, that's warm. I think we're gonna use, feels good for now. Okay, next, ricotta. Sorry. Excuse me. Spoon. Okay, for ricotta sauce, you're gonna eyeball it. You know, this looks like the right amount.
How much is
like
it?
2.5 cups, maybe 2. And 1 egg. We're gonna add, and now it's up to you. I'm just gonna make it up as I go. We're gonna do a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of, hold. Okay, onion powder, I don't know, eyeball that shit. Some pepper, Italian seasoning. Okay, give it a mix. But I don't know. ASMR. Oh Lord, when it rains, it pours. God. Is this thing on? Okay, now that the oven is preheated, 375, we're gonna put the lasagna in for like an hour, basically. So, oh, she's heavy. time to check the lasagna. She's been checked. We can eat lasagna. Waiting for the cheese to get browned on top. I just turned the broiler on for a couple minutes, but I gotta watch it like a hawk, otherwise she'll burn. Now we let her sit, because she's gonna burn us otherwise. We'll come back and eat her. And that's how you cook lasagna.